Hey guys, it's Brianna, and today I have an unboxing for you, and I forgot my camera, so off to a good kickstart back, just, yeah, it's going great. So today I got a package from Cricut, and to be honest, it took forever to get here. I know we're in like a crisis right now because of what's going on in the world, and so many things keep happening, so cutting them some slack there, but it did take almost a month for this box to come, and I was told there would only be 1 week delay. And then when I went to go check on my box and see where it was, after they sent me the tracking information and I didn't hear anything for a week, they said, oh, we can't give you any update because we don't know. So it looks like they literally just threw everything in here, and there's one piece of dunnage. So what I got from Cricut was I got 2 t-shirts for my sister for the infusable ink. I'm not really sure, what are these t-shirts made out of? Polyester and elastane. So apparently you have to use polyester for the infusable ink. So I got us both 2 of them so we could try it out because they were on sale for $4 a piece. And they come in a nice little packaging, so it looks really nice. And then I guess if you were like selling t-shirts for Cricut, you could literally like put it back in this bag. I got this one for my sister. It is the Cricut Glitter Iron-On, and it's got the purple, the green, and the blue. It's just like some pretty sparkle colors, and she lives for that. So, and here is the sole reason I did a order for Cricut is because I am a paper crafter hardcore, and they had paper packs for $3. Yeah, $3 a pack. So your girl went a little crazy. So I got this Marvel one. I literally have this one already, but you know, like when you have something really pretty, you need 2 so that you can do stuff with it and still keep it all nice and pretty. So I got the Marvel Deluxe paper, and this is the Marvel Kawaii, and they are just super cute. The next one I got for my sister is the Tangled paper pack. Then I got the Mickey Mouse pack. This one is the Perfect Pair Deluxe paper, and they are all like brown, and it's kind of like a cardboardy feel. So these ones I'm planning on making like boxes and treat things, maybe some envelopes, some cute designs. We also got the Princess Dreams collection. So this one just has like the silhouettes, and it's very low key. It's not like bam in your face, cartoony. 2 of the Mini Rocks the Dots paper. This is the foil embossed paper, gold and white. Low-key just got it for this honeycomb, but these are going to be great. Got the sparkle paper Spring Meadow sampler. So this one just has sparkly purples, green, yellow, pink, and silver. And then we got the Frozen pad, of course. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I got 9 paper pads, 4 shirts, and a glitter iron-on sampler pack for $64. And this is my first time ever ordering a Cricut package, so honestly, if shipping and handling would have been like a more smoother transition, if they wouldn't have been like, I don't know where your stuff is, and we don't know when it's ever coming, but it's going to come at some point, that would have been so much better. But honestly, I would order again, even considering that, because it was such a great deal. So next we have my Amazon package. This is another Cricut item. I didn't order it at the time because that was a month ago. So this is my next little gadget. So I have a Cricut Explore Air 2, and I wanted to up my game a little bit. So I got a little mini Easy Press, mini but mighty. Why I wanted the mini, I didn't want a big one, because I wanted one that was small enough to not clutter up like my craft space, and small enough to where I can do little things like shoe projects and tiny little details, and the mini just felt like it was a perfect one. So let's open her up. Ooh, I've got to name it. Look how tiny it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And I love that with every single one you get the heat pad, the heat protectant or whatever you want to call it. So I know you have to get the mat for it, Alrighty guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know down below if you've ever ordered anything from Cricut, and I'll see you guys in the next one for some more crafts, DIYs, and some more fun. Alright, bye!